Ricardo Enriquez Reyes, born April 12, 1950, is a Filipino hairdresser, entrepreneur, and television personality. He is the owner of the Ricky Reyes chain of salons and host of the television program Gandang Ricky Reyes. Ricardo Enriquez Reyes was born on April 12, 1950. He was the eldest of 7 children, although he has 3 older half-brothers from his mother's earlier relationship. His father was reportedly abusive and negligent, while his mother owned a beauty parlor and a grocery store and ran a buy and sell business. The family lived poverty. He realized he is gay back in his childhood. His half-brothers would beat him up for being gay, but Reyes insist they still loved him and they just don't want him to be ostracized for his identity. He was an errand boy for his mother at age 10 and helped marketed the family business in Divisoria. Personal life, Ricky Reyes is a gay man. He has been with his partner Chris Aquino, who is a businessman since the 1970s. Reyes met Aquino when he was still performing drag review in Taxco nightclub. Aquino was a backup dancer in the now-defunct venue. He has 4 adopted children. The first a son entrusted to him by a salon customer in the 1970s, the second being a niece of his sister who emigrated to the United States, and the last 2 were siblings whose mother left the 2 to raise. Despite being in a gay relationship, Reyes is against the legalization of same-sex marriage in the Philippines, believing the institution to be the domain of the Catholic Church. He calls its supporters as deluded and entitled. Reyes believes that the LGBTQ community should settle for tolerance. He believes that the community should keep oppression to themselves. Reyes also opposes the SOGI bill claiming to have stopped its passing into law, a claim that was disputed by Rainbow Rights Philippines, which noted that Reyes is not even a legislator. Despite identifying with the Bakla label, he discourages gay men against cross-dressing and presenting feminine. He adopted this worldview as he grew old, having sported a longer hair and feminine expression in his younger years. Commenting on the transgender bathroom issue, Reyes insists that transgender people should stay on their lane and use the bathroom according to their genitals rather than the one which aligns their gender identity. In 2015, Renato Nocos, a former employee of Reyes' chain of salons, filed a discrimination case against his employer. Reyes fired Nocos after he found out that he is positive with HIV. Reyes denied the claim. In February 2016, the National Labor Relations Commission found Reyes guilty on the said case and ordered him to reinstate Nocos in his job and pay 600,000 pesos worth of back wages and benefits. Marcos Estrada, Reyes' lawyer, stated that his client appealed the decision that Nocos allegedly distorted the truth. He claimed that Reyes treated Nocos for his declared pulmonary tuberculosis diagnosis. Nocos was said to return to work and secured a medical certificate despite still coughing, but admitted to having HIV and was asked to secure another certificate. Nocos did not return and went to the NLRC to file a complaint insisting he was not fired. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.